Surianti Marsutumang. My major is Department of Commercial Shipping and Port Management, Level 2 at Indonesian Maritime Academy, IP Makassar.
And my name is Nabila Shakira. My major is Department of Commercial Shipping and Port Management Level 2 at Indonesian Maritime Academy, IP Makassar.
So right now we will present our video.
With the title, What Does the Company Do?
So for those of you who are curious about our
Video.
so don't miss our video.
Let's watch it.
Happy watching. Bye bye. By the way, Nabila, how's your day?
Yes, so far so good, but that's
By the way, what does your company do?
my company is PT Kawasan Industri Makassar, which is PT Kima, a state-owned enterprise that provides infrastructure and facilities for industrial in estates Makassar.
That sounds interesting. So where is it located?
The head office is located at Perintis Kemerdekaan.
And who works there?
We have a diverse team, including legal specialists, communication staff, and corporate strategy personnel.
When do you usually start your day?
We typically start our workday at 9 a.m., Monday through Friday.
So how do you help your clients?
We offer comprehensive industrial facilities and infrastructure support to help businesses grow within our estate's industry.
Wow, that sounds so interesting.
Super bonuses, we work so hard, it's not funny. It's time to celebrate.
I really like this part, Nabila.
Yeah. By the way, Desri, how's your day?
So far so good. How about you?
Yeah, so far so good too. What does your company do?
My company, as known as Sukovindo Makassar, is tasked with conducting testing, inspection, certification, as well as consultation in training in various loading industrial sector of South Sulawesi, such as agriculture, marine, mining, and processing industries.
That sounds interesting. And where is it located?
My company located in Makassar.
So when do you usually start your day?
I start my day at 8:30 a.m.
So who works there?
Sukovindo Makassar staff consists of branch managers, department heads of testing, inspection, certification, and department heads of marketing. Also laboratory analysis, inspection, and auditors, marketing staff, administrative and financial staff, also the trainers.
Okay. How your company to help clients?
Sukovindo Makassar serves customers through testing, inspection, certification, communication, and training that meet their specific needs, focusing on effective communication, professional processes, accurate result, and customer satisfaction.
Oh, so good.
Thank you. Okay guys, that's all our video and
Thank you for your time. So
bye bye. See you.